We now move on to the announcement segment, and Austin standing by.
So, to our listeners, if you are following the news, there are some very strong earthquakes in Turkey, Syria, and New Zealand, and we have a lot of listeners from those countries. And so, our prayers and sympathies go out to all those who have been affected by the earthquake. There is some lot of destruction, and I hope all our listeners and all the public in general are safe there.
Yeah, our hearts are with you guys out there in Turkey. This has been a very unfortunate situation, but really, we're glad to see you here, Sally. That tells me that your city is doing well, right?
Yeah, indeed, the city is safe here, but like a lot of city has been damaged, and it's a huge one. Two big earthquakes happened in the same day was a really tragedy for us. But things good. It's still going on.
Our prayers are with you guys in Turkey, and we're so thankful that you are not affected. And here you are with us on this episode.
Another announcement is that we have switched podcast host, which is a very technical language, but you just need to know that we have changed the service that provides a podcast to you. So, if any of the listeners are having any difficulties for listening to us on the of any podcast apps, be it Spotify or Apple Podcast or any app that you would listen to us before, you just need to email us at contact us at blindandroidusers.com, and we will do whatever is possible to fix that. And the next announcement is John's S23 unboxing was first aired on our YouTube channel. So you need to be subscribed to that channel and hit the notifications icon and make that notifications to all, because there may be some first only YouTube videos in the future which can be added to the podcast later.
Thank you so much, Austin. And talking about subscriptions, though, I noticed that after we asked you guys to subscribe, that we have actually moved up to like 800 something, maybe 865 or somewhere in there from, was it 857 or was it 856 rather?
Yeah,
Because I was
856.
struggling with my math back there.
Yeah.
So we're inching closer to that 1,000 mark that Austin is really looking forward to. And we hope that by April of this year, that dream is going to come true.